Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Side Hustle Keisha. Thank you for joining me again. Today we're going to be talking about work from home tips of the day. This is the work from home tip of the day. Before I jump into that, make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification button because on this channel, I give you daily videos and tips on ways to make money from home, amazing job opportunities, and cool side hustles. Some of the side hustles you can do from home, some of the side hustles you can go out. Get out the house, take the kids out, get out and do some of these side hustles outside the home, okay? But everything on this channel is going to be make money, okay? And we're going to focus on make money from home because we want to allow you that time freedom so you can spend more time with your family, your friends, and relax, right? So let's focus on the tip today, tip number 9, okay? Tip number 9 is going to be use task management map. So the last tip, tip number 8, we talked about getting a planner, day timer, a planner, and focusing. So if you are not a write it down to-do list or a planner person, don't worry. There are plenty digital calendars and task management apps available that can still help you. Some top task management and calendar apps include Asana, Basecamp, and Trello. Most of these apps offer both web-based and mobile versions, so you can download them to your phone. Some can even be integrated with other apps such as Slack for team collaboration, and the best part, most of these apps offer free versions, okay? So we want you to get organized. If you can't do the planner, let me tell you, there's a lot of different apps you can get from download on your Play Store and get you together, okay? Get you organized, get you task managing, get you all the way right, okay? So you guys know that everything on this channel is to focus on helping. My mission behind Side Hustle Keisha is to give you opportunities to add an extra streamline of cash if you want to, or find an opportunity where you can work full-time from home, okay? So you know that 80% of 80% of Americans, I'm sorry, 80% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck. We got to change that, okay? We want to change that because as a single mom, I know how tough it can be, and I know there's a lot of things that come up that sometimes are unexpected, and we want to be prepared. And by adding an extra streamline of cash, whether it's a side hustle or a business, can help you have that money aside when you do have emergency. So we want to focus on allowing you to choose. I give you a variety of options here so you can make money from home or add an extra side job, okay? So here we're going to talk about opportunities to help you get out of that rat race if you're in that rat race. If you're not, we're going to be talking about opportunities if you're looking to make a transition in between jobs. Make sure that you guys look in the description box below. My 7 top work from home side hustles. That's a free guide from you. Go ahead and click on that link and I will send it right over to you. Also, if you are looking to make passive income, let me tell you, my number 1 recommendation for passive income, making money that like you wake up and to notifications on your phone that you made money while you were sleeping, or you make money while you're on vacation, or you're in the grocery store shopping, okay? And you are making money anywhere from $200, $500 to $1,000, okay? That's what I'm here for. That's my goal. That's my passion. That's my mission. For those of you who live in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, I want to let you know I am creating a networking group that will really launch in 2020, okay? What we're focused on in 2020 is allowing you a place so you can get tips, stay accountable, get blueprints for success. Not only that, get motivated, and get training that you need to be successful. It's called Where Side Hustles and Entrepreneurs Collide. So a lot of times when people are deciding to do a side hustle, there's someone who's either thinking about entrepreneurship, but they want to take it, they want to slide into it slowly. And once you've done a side hustle and you've seen that you can make money online, transitioning to an entrepreneur is very easy, okay? Because once you had a taste of that money bug online, you want more, you want to explore more, and because you want more for your family, okay? Hey, there's nothing wrong with wanting more for your family. That's what we're supposed to do, okay? So I want you to jump over and check out the Where Side Hustles and Entrepreneurs Collide. That is a group I'm putting on Facebook. Just so you guys know, Side Hustle Keisha is also on Facebook. And I also upload the videos that I put on YouTube here, just in case you missed it. Make sure you come over to Side Hustle Keisha on Facebook and you like the page and follow the page, okay? So that way you get notified there as well, just in case you missed a notification on YouTube. Also, just so you know, I am on Instagram. So I want you definitely to stay in the know. And how you stay in the know is that you're following all social media platforms so that you can always get notified when I upload new videos and new opportunities, okay? You guys make sure you subscribe, hit the notification button, and I will see you in the next video. Have a good one. Bye-bye.